What's up, guys? My name is Tai Zen. Welcome to the cryptocurrency.market channel. This is a real world trading and investing channel. This is not a bullshit theory channel. If you like theory and you like to hear stuff that makes you sound smart, this is probably not the right channel for it, because if you've been following our channel for a long time, or in case you're new to this channel, I was born in Vietnam, and I left Vietnam as a refugee. I lived in the Malaysian refugee camps for like a year. I came to America afterwards, and I lived in the poor ghetto black neighborhoods in America, and I grew up poor most of my life. I never finished high school. I never graduated from high school. I hung around the wrong people, and I got involved in drugs, and I went to federal prison in America for nearly 14 years. So because of that, if you are looking for a really high-level theory that makes you sound smart, I am probably not the right guy for you. So I'm just letting you guys know that in advance. However, if you are someone that is looking to grow your portfolio into a 7, 8, 9-figure portfolio, then this is the right channel for you, because that's what we share on this channel. How our team, me and the guys on my team, took a very small amount of money and we grew it into a 7, 8, 9-figure portfolio, and the struggles and the obstacles and the challenges that you have to go through in order to manage a portfolio of that size. Okay, so in this video I want to talk about the what if approach to investing. I don't know what else to call it. If you guys come up with a better name to this methodology or this way of thinking, then please leave in the comments and I will use it. But right now, I'm going to call it the what if strategy, or the what if approach to investing and making life-changing profits. Okay, and this does not apply. This applies to every market. It's not just for the crypto market. This what I'm about to share with you guys applies to all of it. Okay, so first of all, let me share with you guys how we started. When we started on our team at a small scale, many of you guys may or may not know, I started with $1,600 in the crypto markets. Okay, I was working in the city of Dallas. I was working at an energy company that was selling electricity, and in 2012, in October of 2012, I worked at an energy company that was selling electricity, and I noticed that they were mining something called Bitcoins while I was working there. And instead of focusing on the energy and selling electricity, the owners of that business were all focused on mining Bitcoins. That's all they were concerned about. Okay, and since I was the only Asian guy working there, they were constantly bugging me to see if I knew anybody in China that can help them get some ASICs chips so that they can mine Bitcoins. And that's how I got exposed to Bitcoins in October 2012. And then by December or January of that year, right, within 2 to 3 months, that's when my team bought our first Bitcoins for less than $60. Okay, it was around $60, and then that was one of my team members, and then I personally bought my first Bitcoins for $160. Okay, so that's how I got my team got into crypto. And then from then we try to research online how to trade, invest, and make money from this new asset class called Bitcoin and crypto. Okay, there was none, so we decided we would share our personal experience on the internet, and that's how we ended up starting the first channel on the internet to teach people about trading and investing in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. If you look back, you will not find any channels that 100% focus on trading and investing in Bitcoins. That was earlier than our channel. Okay, so we've been in this game for 10 years now, for a decade, and as we look back in the early years, the only thing that we were focusing on was we would focus on looking for the right coins. It's just like anybody else. When you're a beginner, the only thing you focus on is looking for the right coins. And then the same thing goes in the stock market. When I first entered the stock market, I was looking for the best stocks. That's all, you know. And this is what the stage in which everyone starts out is what I call the stock picking or the coin picking stage, where you think that if I pick the right coin or if I pick the right stock, then I'm gonna make life-changing profits, okay? And now, no matter what I say now, okay, no matter what I say, if you're a beginner, that's the only thing that's on your mind. That's the only thing that's on your mind, okay? No matter what I say, that's not the best approach to making life-changing profits in the market. No matter what I say, you're still gonna believe that as long as I find the right stock or the right crypto or the right coin, I'm gonna make a shitload of life-changing profits, okay? So I'm not gonna sit here and try to argue with you or try to convince you that that is not the right approach, because you're not gonna believe it anyway when you're a beginner, okay? You're not gonna believe it no matter what I say, okay? But what I wanna tell you though is to let you know in advance, so you hear it from someone that's not a bullshitter online that's telling you that is not the best approach, okay? And I also want to make this video not just for the beginner so that they are aware that that's not the best approach, but I also want to let the people that have been investing and they're having success, but inside they just know something is not right. Like they just know that, okay, I'm making this money, I'm making this life-changing profits in crypto, but something is missing, something is not right. I'm missing something, but I can't really figure out what it is, okay? This video is to help those people right there, okay? So what is the what if approach, okay? The what if approach is where we take an approach in the markets where we're not focusing on picking the right coins or the right stocks. What we are focusing on is, what if this happens? What if that happens? So let me give you several examples so you guys know what I'm talking about. So let's just say that you're a Bitcoin maximalist, okay? Or you listen to these bullshit fake ass Bitcoin maximalists, okay? Where they say, oh, Bitcoin is the only coin, there's nothing else, you buy anything else, you're stupid, you're a fucking idiot, and you don't know what you're doing, only focus on Bitcoin, right? So I wanna ask, I invite you and I encourage you to ask this question: what if I'm wrong? What if I'm wrong and in the next bull market, Bitcoin does not go up, the altcoins go up? If I have, let's just say I have $100 to invest in the markets and I put 100% of it into Bitcoin, what if it doesn't go up? What if it's the altcoins that go up? Okay? Can that happen? Yes, it can. Has it happened before in the past? No, it hasn't. But is that possible? The answer is yes, that's possible. Any Bitcoin maximalist that tells you that that is not possible is a fucking idiot. They don't know anything about investing. They might know about Bitcoin, but they sure as hell don't know about making life-changing profits in crypto, okay? Our channel is specifically focused on making life-changing profits. We are not a Bitcoin maximalist. We are not even a crypto maximalist, okay? We are a profit maximalist, okay? And in case English is not your first language, the word maximalist means you are a fan or a die-hard fanboy, a die-hard fan or a die-hard supporter, okay? So if you're a Bitcoin maximalist, you are a die-hard supporter of Bitcoin only. If you are a crypto maximalist, you are a die-hard supporter of cryptocurrencies. If you are a gold maximalist, then you are a die-hard supporter of gold. If you are a profit maximalist like we are, then you are a die-hard supporter of making a profit from the markets, okay? So when we say that you are a Bitcoin maximalist and you put all your money into it, what if you're wrong? Each cycle in the market is about 3, 4, 5 years long. It's between 3 to 5 years. And if you are wrong, then you have to waste 3 to 5 years. You just wasted that whole cycle, and you gotta wait till the next cycle before you try it, okay? And then in the next cycle, you look back and you say, hey, I made the mistake. I put all my money, 100% of my money into Bitcoin. I'm not gonna do that again. I'm gonna put my money 100% into altcoins this time. And then you go into the next bull market, and then the altcoins don't go up. It's Bitcoin that goes up this time, right? So now you're screwed again, right? You made the mistake again, right? So we have realized over the years, once we got past the first stage of investing, which is finding being a stock picker or a coin picker, right? Once we got past that stage, right, we started focusing on making money. And then in the higher stages, right, we realized that it's not so important that you pick the right coins or the right stock. It's more important that you are prepared. Your portfolio is prepared for any scenario that comes up. Okay, and that's the what if. Okay, so the way that we would do that now is the way we invest now is that we ask ourselves, okay, if we put some money in Bitcoin only, what if altcoins go up? Okay, well that means that we cannot take 100% of our money and put it all into Bitcoin. So we take a portion of our money and we put it into Bitcoin. We take a portion of our money and we put it into altcoins. And then we ask ourselves, okay, we run through several mental scenarios of what could possibly happen when we do this. Okay, if we put, let's just say we put 50% of our money, we put some money into Bitcoin and some money into altcoins, and the market goes up. Great, we look like a genius now, right? We're gonna make life-changing profits. But what happens if it doesn't do that? What happens if it doesn't go up in our favor? Instead, as soon as we put in the money into Bitcoin and altcoins, the market crashes 50% the next day. What if that happens? What are we gonna do? Are we prepared to handle that? Are we prepared to take a 50% crash? Are we prepared to buy more coins when the market crashes, right? And in the past, we were not prepared, right? So nowadays, right, we don't put 100% of our money into crypto, right? So for me personally, I try to keep about 40% in cash and 60% in crypto. For our beginning students who are still working a day job and they need to be more aggressive they want to put more capital to work in the crypto markets, then we have them do it based on an 80-20. So 20% in cash, 80% in crypto. So they have more exposure, or they have more money in the crypto market and more percentage, or higher percentage in the crypto market than we do. Okay, because we already made enough money to retire. We're not in a rush to make more profit. Matter of fact, if I make another million or 5 or 10 million, none of that really matters. It's not going to change the quality of my life. The quality of my life right now is probably, at 95%. Making more money is not going to increase the quality of my life. Okay, this is the lifestyle I like to live. This is the environment I like to live in, right? I'm working on building a house in the beach city of Da Nang in central part of Vietnam. And once I get that, then I will probably have 100% the quality of life that I want, and making any more money is not going to change that. Okay, simply because I'm a very simple dude. I don't spend a lot, I don't use a lot. Matter of fact, besides buying this $1 million condo here in downtown Bangkok, I don't recall making any big purchases outside of my video cameras and laptops and computer stuff that I need to do my work and to do my broadcast. Other than that, I have not gone out and bought anything lavish. I have not bought anything luxurious. I bought this Rolex, when I was in Dubai, right? I saw it, so I bought it. It was like $17,500 or something like that. And that's probably the most expensive thing I've bought for a personal use. Okay, but other than that, my lifestyle is not going to change if I make any more money. From the time I retired at 44 years old in 2017 until the time that I die, all the money that I make will be used by someone else. It's not going to be used by me, right? So it does not matter to me if, or I shouldn't say it does not matter. I'm not in a rush to make my next million quickly, okay? So that's why the approach that I take now is a what if approach. What if the market goes up? Great. What if the market goes down? Do I have enough ammo? Do I have enough cash to buy when the market crashes, right? If I put my money in US dollars and in Thai baht and Vietnamese dong and the Dubai dirham, right? Those are the 4 currencies that I commonly use, right? What happens if I put my money in the Vietnamese dong and the interest rates go up and all this stuff and the inflation? What's going to happen? What if that happens? So I make sure that I set up my portfolio so that I don't put 100% of my cash into the Vietnamese dong. even though I live there and that's where I spend most of my money, right? I cannot do that because I have to be prepared because we have a high inflation rate in Vietnam. Now, can I put some in the Thai baht since I live here? I'm broadcasting right now from the riverfront in downtown Bangkok. Yes, I can do that too, but then I have to ask myself, what if the US dollar gets stronger and the Thai baht loses value? If I put 100% of my assets or 50% of my assets into the Thai baht, what's gonna happen? So I'm always on asking myself, what if this happens? What if that happens? Now, when we first started investing, we did not know what questions to ask. Like, for example, like, what if I leave $1 million to my kids and before I can leave it to them, I die? How am I gonna resolve that? So now we know, okay, we can set up a will, we can set up a trust so that we can put the money in there, right? And then, hey, what if I put my money in the trust and the trust custodian runs off with my money? Okay, so these are all the scenarios that we look at and then we ask ourselves, are we covered? If this happens, are we covered? What if the Fed decides to increase their interest rates again and continue increasing their interest rates to reduce the inflation in the US? What if that continues and the markets crash for another year? Are we prepared for that? Are we ready for that? What if it crashes and the bear market lasts another 3 years? Are we prepared for that? What if it lasts 5 years? Are we prepared for that? Can we handle that? So in every instance in our portfolio, we are not looking for the best coin or the best stock. What we are looking for is to make sure everything is covered, no matter what happens. If this happens, boom. If Trump gets elected again, we're covered. If Biden gets elected again, we're covered. If the Ukraine war in Russia, right, between Russia and Ukraine, if it escalates and becomes World War III, we're covered. If we have COVID and we're locked down again, right, and we need another place, another country to live, we're covered. If we need a passport to go here, right, if in case another worldwide lockdown happens because of another bullshit pandemic that they make up, right, we're covered. What happens if our bank accounts in America get shut down or gets frozen? We're covered. What happens if our bank accounts in Dubai get shut down or they go out of business or they go bankrupt? We're covered, right? So it's more important that you guys focus on to make sure that you are covered in each scenario that can happen that can wipe you out. That's what we're protecting against, is a complete wipeout. Wipeout means, in English, the word wipeout means that you lose 100% of everything you have, okay? So we don't gonna get wiped out by any scenario. Now, in the beginning, when you first start investing and you first start learning how to make life-changing profits, you do not know all the scenarios that can wipe you out. You just don't, right? You don't know the security procedures that you do wrong that can wipe you out. You don't know the exchanges that can get hacked or they have poor quality security or service that can wipe you out. You don't know if a wallet software is safe or not, and that can wipe you out. You don't know if the person that is guiding you in the cryptocurrency market, gets you to walk over a landmine and blow your foot off. Okay, so you don't know these different scenarios, right? One way is to make sure that you guys listen to somebody that's actually doing it out in the real world, like our channel, like our team, the Taifu investing team. You can follow us because we don't talk any bullshit on here. We only talk about the things that we have done in real life. Like when I say that we help people learn how to manage a 7, 8, 9-figure portfolio, and that's in US dollars, that's not in Vietnamese dong or Thai baht, right? That's because someone on our team has already done that, right? We're not just fucking saying that just to say it for fun, right? Or to look like a bunch of badass traders or something. We're saying that so that we let people know the experiences that we have. And if you want to learn it, you're welcome to. If you don't want to learn it, that's fine. But at least we are upfront about what it is that we do, okay? So you can learn it from someone like us, or you can learn from somebody else that is reliable, that you find that's trustworthy, okay? And that helps you to figure out all the different what-if scenarios that can happen. Hey, what if I do this? and I have to pay. What if I live in California and I make $1 million profit? I have to pay 55% in taxes? How do I reduce that? What if I don't want to pay that 55% in taxes to the government, right? Can I move to the state of Texas? Can I move to the state of Florida? Can I move to the state of Nevada to reduce my taxes? So these are all the different scenarios that you have to consider and think about and ask yourself, does my trading system or does my investing system cover all these scenarios, these what if scenarios, okay? And that's the most important thing, because some people, for example, they focus on being a Bitcoin maximalist, and then when the altcoins run up, they miss out on that. Some people say, oh, I'm only gonna focus on stocks, crypto is a scam, crypto is bullshit, so they miss out. When crypto goes up 10x or 20x, they miss out on that, okay? So we don't want to be in a position where we are, what's in English is called absolutes, where we are absolutely for stocks only, we are absolutely 100% only believe in gold, we 100% only believe in crypto, or we 100% only believe in Bitcoin. We try to avoid the absolute extremes in that manner, right? We believe every asset class has an opportunity to make life-changing profits. However, there's a time where something is better. For example, like, do we believe that precious metals like gold and silver are valuable, right? Yes, we do. But do we believe that now is the best time to put our money into gold and silver to make life-changing profits? The answer is no. The answer is no. It does not even come remotely close to having the potential to make life-changing profits like the cryptocurrency market can give you, right? Now, do we believe in investing into stocks? Like, I've had more stock trading experience than I have in the crypto market. Like, if you look at how many stock trading transactions I have done in my life, it's thousands of transactions more than my crypto trading transactions, okay? However, do we believe that our money should be in the stock market right now, or at least a large portion of it should be in the stock market right now? The answer is no, because if our goal is to make life-changing profits, then it needs to be in an asset class that gives us the best potential to make life-changing profits. And right now, that asset class is called cryptocurrencies, right? So we don't like to be at the extremes. We always like to be prepared in case something happens. Now, as our portfolio gets bigger, right? As our portfolio gets bigger, right? Our goal is not just to make life-changing profits only. Our goal is now also to preserve the life-changing profits that we already made. So yes, we will put our money into some bonds. We will put our money into some stocks, right? But that's because we're set. Like, we're retired. We have enough money to retire already. If you are watching this video and you haven't made enough money to where you can just goof off and sit there and just make videos online for fun, right? Then you have to ask yourself, okay, can I do the same thing that Ty's doing? Like, should I put my money into bonds and stocks like Ty and his team? I can't, because I'm still trying to make life-changing profits so I can quit my day job. So there's no way that I can copy Ty, right, and his team and put a portion of my money into stocks and bonds. I should put the majority of my money, right, into crypto, and whatever's left over, I should just keep it in cash in case there's another opportunity in the future. And that's the mindset that you guys want to look at. That's the mindset that you guys want to think about, right? Instead of focusing on what's this technical analysis, which MACD is good, which moving average indicator is good, or this technical analysis indicator. That is all just a bunch of fluff that does not help you make life-changing profits, guys, right? Life-changing profits comes from you being prepared and you being ready for whatever scenario comes from the market. If the market goes up, you have money in the market. If the market goes down, you have money on the side to buy more crypto, right? If the market goes into a 3-year bear market, great. I have enough money to survive those 3 years. If it goes into a 5-year bear market, no problem. I got enough money, or I got a job that's gonna pay me, and I can survive that 5 years to wait for the market to go up, right? What if the exchange gets hacked? Great. I don't have that much money. I only have a few dollars on the exchange. The rest of it is in my hardware wallet. What if they charge me 55% taxes like they do in California? Okay, I'm gonna move over here to Vegas. I'm gonna move over here to Phoenix. I'm gonna move over here to Texas. I'm gonna move over here to Florida or to another location where I can reduce my taxes, right? So these are things that are more important. They're significantly way more important, and they contribute to you making life-changing profits much easier than focusing on, is this the right coin, or is this the right stock, or is this the right technical analysis indicator, right? Instead of focusing on that, focus on asking yourself, hey, okay, what if I do this, but it's the opposite? What if I do this and it's this? Okay, that's more important, guys. And if you guys set up your portfolio and your money and everything so that you take advantage of whatever opportunity that comes up in the markets, right? No matter what direction the market goes in, you're prepared. That's the key. Then you will set yourself up to make life-changing profits. You will. Trust me, you will, okay? Because there's no way that you can be that prepared with your portfolio, and if the market gives you an opportunity, you are gonna jump on that opportunity, all right? Thanks for watching this video, guys, and I hope that that thought or that philosophy about investing long-term and how you can really, really maximize your portfolio and make life-changing profits in the market, I hope that helps you guys out. If you guys are interested in how we invest in the markets and learn more about how we do it, you are welcome to go to www.cryptocurrency.market/blueprint and get you a copy of the cryptocurrency investing blueprint that we created. Inside that cryptocurrency investing blueprint is a recording and the documentation of everything that our team has done to grow our money from a very, very small portfolio into a 7, 8, 9-figure portfolio, okay? If you wanna learn that without the fluff, without the bullshit, without all that hype in theory, and you just want real world, how did these guys do it so that I can emulate them, so I can copy them, so I can clone their process, then go get you a copy of the cryptocurrency investing blueprint, okay? We made that blueprint to help people who are serious about making life-changing profits in the market. We did not create the cryptocurrency investing blueprint so we can sell it and make money off of it and pay our bills. That is not what it's for, okay? The cryptocurrency investing blueprint is a documentation and a recording of our trading, investing experience and knowledge so that we can pass it down to our kids and our grandkids. If you want to see what it is that we're going to pass down to our kids and grandkids and teach them, you are welcome to go get you a copy of it, all right? Thanks for watching this video, guys. You can follow me on Twitter at HeyTaiZen, and it's spelled just like you hear, at HeyTaiZen. And I'll look forward to seeing you guys in a future video. Thank you.